What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani back with another video, and today we got this cute unit, and it's from Nadula hair. So other than the wig, it came with this little bag, and it had a wig cap in it and just other little goodies like lashes, and I think the other things was earrings and a comb. So the specs on it is a 26-inch up, they call it an upgraded body wave wig. It was giving me like loose wave vibes, but I ended up straightening her. Once I straightened the wig, I liked it a lot better in its original texture. But since I had already straightened it, I had decided later on that I will put some waves in it. So I ended up doing that. I get a lot of questions on the flat iron that I got it from Ulta, and it's the Babyless one. Definitely worth the investment. Next, I'm going to install my wigs how I do any other time. I'm going to cut the lace as close to my hairline as possible just to give it a more natural look. I'm not going to do too much with the baby hairs, but I did do some, and you'll see it later on in the video. But this lace was very soft, transparent, and it blended right in. Best tip that I can give you is when you do have a unit with really good lace like this, you want to use the least amount of product to lay it down as possible. You don't want the product to basically overshadow the good lace and get caked up or whatever the case may be. So I would just say use a little bit, like a little layer of the gel, or you can either use the freeze spray. Or if you wanted a longer lasting install, you could use like, you know, actual wig glue. But I would just say make sure that it's not too much product. I'm going to spray some of this freeze spray where I feel the wig needs to stick a little bit better. And I don't know what it is about the freeze spray, but it just helps the wig melt seamlessly, especially if you have HD/transparent lace. Longer lasting baby hair look, I use the Got to Be gel. I used to use the like edge control, but I find that over time it has your wig lift a lot faster because it's real greasy. So this is what the wig looked like straight. I did wear it like this for a day, but the next day, instead of me changing my hair, I decided to just change the style of the wig. So I did use my waver that I got from Target. I've used it quite a few times before. So I'm not really going to explain how I did it because it's fairly easy. It's just kind of time consuming. This is the last piece that I had to crimp. I didn't use any product in the wig because I didn't want it to be too stiff. This is the finished look. It's so cute, and I think the density on this wig is perfect for the waves because waves make the hair look a lot fuller, but if the hair is already full, it'll make it too thick looking. So this was perfect. It came out great. If you did want to try out this style and check out this wig, of course, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair for working with me, and I'll see you on my next one.